So we can see the Palace Monument from here as well, from Sterling University. Nice view they've got here. My gosh, ang ganda mag-aral dito. Ala, kuhang-kuha talaga, no? Let's go. I'll just leave it for 1 hour, Mary. 1 hour, 1 minute, and then that's us done. We'll head home na. We'll head home na. Nakapaglakad kami ng 2 hours. 2 hours na kami naglalakad. We only have like 10 minutes up.
On behalf of Myrna,
We are not even we're not even there yet. And then we can see the castle, Sterling Castle. Where is it? There. And then the Palace Monument. Oh, why there's a blinking light in there?
Bonnie, what a Bonnie place to live.
Hala, anong nangyari doon? Doktor?
Yes.
May inaatake na doon?
Are you right side?
Oh,
Are you? And the other side is blah blah blah. And my
Kili-kili. Nakikita na yung mga kili-kili. Huwag mangangamoy, ah. Oh, yun yung aming destination. Malayo pa.
Maganda, di ba? Hindi ka magsisisi. Alam niyo lang, ano mo?
And it's good and sunny, look. Yes, 1 minute.
Oh, nasabit pa kami nung nagkanto-hag.
Picture.
Bigla akong tumalon. Pero sabi ko, ay, hindi naman.
It's nice and sunny, ladies.
Maganda dito.
Oh, picture.
Ay, dahil ako sa tutuwa. Huwag na, okay na.
Wala naman.
Ikaw naman, kasi maganda ang view. Maganda yung view dun, oh, dali. Ano sa dito, oh.
It's nice and sunny.
Bahala ka dito naman. Ano mo lang yun, hindi mo na magtagilid ka. Huwag kang magtagilid masyado. Paano ba? Sige, i-ano kita. I-direct. Huwag gan...
Ang hacienda niya. Taga-view lang siya. Ang Sterling. Sterling. Hi!
Hi, girl. Boy. Oh, it's not recording.
Ulitin.
Hi, Myrna.
Hi! Yang Mariza, the youngest of all of us.
Oh, yes.
21. Sabi ko. 21.
And she is 18. You're 18, right? 80? You're 80?
Oh, it's nice. Look at that. It's nice and green. And it's nice and clear. I can see Wallace Monument there. And the castle. The Sterling Castle. Yeah. Go.
Ano mo lang yun, hindi mo halata magtagilid ka. Huwag kang magtagilid masyado. Paano ba? Sige, ano kita? Direct. Balik ko lang yan. Huwag din ganyan.
Ganyan din sa kayo.
Yung paliit ng baywang ay ito ba? Eh, ganun. Ano na? Meron na siya doon. Ano na yun man? Ito. Tumayaw. Ang pahaya. Ano yan? Ay, gusto naman ito.